Let's have a look at the second adjustment for Ryan Limited 2016 manufacturing count. So it says included in the figure for sale of scrap material. So we have material that we sorted for scrap is 3,600 received from the sale of an old machine. So we sold an old machine, we got money for it. So we need to take this 3,600 out of the scrap material figure to get the new figure for the scrap material. And this 3,600 will be used to help calculate whether we made a profit or loss on the sale of this machinery. Now the machinery had cost 18,000 on the 1st of the 4th 2010. That piece of information will be used later on. We need to calculate the depreciation of machinery and where we need to reduce the value of our plant and machinery as well. So the first thing we need to do is find out the scrap of the sale of material. How much is that? So we're going to have a look at our trial balance, find a figure for the sale of scrap. So we've got sale of scrap of 6,100. So because that's on the credit side, that means that it's income. I'm going to take that 3,600 out of that sale of scrap because of this 6,100, 3,600 was for a machinery, not for sale of scrap material. So the figure that we're going to get to put into a manufacturing account is 2,250. You can also do double entry. Your sale of scrap, so the balance is 6,100 because it's on the credit side. We're reducing our scrap material, so we're going to debit our scrap material account of 3,600, and then we're going to credit our disposal account of 3,600, and we'll look at that as part of our next adjustment. But basically what we're doing is taking this 3,600 out of the scrap material. That 2,500 then becomes the new figure then that's going to be used in your manufacturing account for scrap material. And that's the second working done for Ryan Limited manufacturing accounts.